it is not yet an extremist. You know, wala pa talaga the danger zone that we will die if there's no energy because it runs the machines. Lahat na nakikita mo, langis yan. Ilaw, lahat yan. Lahat ito, hindi ito nagagawa kung walang simento, pati lahat. But we are not in that danger. But when the going gets rough, maybe someday, not during my presidency. Wag muna ngayon kasi we have to come up with safeguards. Really, really tight safeguards to assure that there will be no disastrous if there is a nuclear leak or explosion somewhere in the nuclear reactors that we will be building. It has to be studied carefully by Congress and by the Filipino people. For after all, pag may leak yan, pag lahat tayo tatamaan dyan. And it's our country, you should remember that.